Hi everyone, welcome back to my lesson plan that I'll be teaching today. So for my lesson plan, what I have in store is we're going to be working with natural fiber and also a man-made fiber. So for your tools that you need is you're going to have water here. You're going to have a pen to mark your results, your worksheet, your scissors, and then also your Sharpie and your paper towel. So first things first that we're going to do is we're going to be marking our fabric. That we're going to be using today. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see it for that one here, and then also this one. So the first thing that we're going to be getting into is going to be the strength test of the fabrics. So, yeah, the strength test of the fabrics that we have. So the ones that you marked, you're going to cut a 1/2 inch of the fabric. And you're going to see if it tears. And as you can see, this one teared. It was a little rough, but it kind of teared pretty easily. So we're going to mark that's a pass for the strength test for the polyester. For the cotton, sorry. And then we're going to go into the polyester. So then we're going to cut a 1/2 inch in the polyester here. Mind you, we have extra samples as well. So I cut the polyester. So now we're going to be ripping it to see if it passes the strength test. I promise you I'm not weak. Okay. Yeah, that's a little hard to rip, so we're going to the polyester failed the strength test. So now we're going to go into the permeability of this assignment. So we have our little bit of fabric here that we have, which is the cotton, which is the natural fiber. So now we're going to be pouring a 1/2 teaspoon of water in the center. Ooh, that's too much. But and then I'm going to get the other piece as well and start doing that one, which is the polyester. And then after that, we're going to record our results. Okay. And then as you can see with the permeability, it didn't take long. The permeability is like how fast and how slow that the water took onto the fabric. So with the cotton, it didn't take long. So, and also with the polyester, it kind of left a little bubble at the top. So then after that, so you're going to record your results on the permeability of the fabrics that you have, which is the cotton and the polyester. So now we're going to go into the absorbency. We're going to go into the absorbency of both fabrics that we have. So I actually have other pieces. So here we have our cotton and here we have our polyester fabric. So the first things first is we're going to put the fabrics inside. We're going to put the fabrics inside of the water and then until they soak up. And then we're going to take them out until they start dripping. And once they finish dripping, we're just going to lay it on a paper towel. So we'll do the same for this one. And then we're going to lay that right beside it. Put that over there. So now that we have both fabric pieces here onto the paper towel, we're going to be waiting at least 2 to 3 minutes to see how quick these dry, which is going to be the quick drying. And also we can also mark as well for the absorbency as well. So with that, the absorbency of the cotton, it passed because the cotton absorbed the water much more faster than the polyester. It took the polyester quite a while to absorb the water. So we're going to say that the polyester kind of failed because of, you know, of how quickly and how slowly they both absorb the water. So that can count as absorbency. So now we're going to sit this here, and then after this we're going to be recording our results for the quick drying process of the cotton and the polyester fabric that we have. So I'm just going to be waiting a few minutes, and then after that, once we do the quick drying of the fabrics, that will be the end of this lesson plan that I have. And so we're going to flip. It feels like, well, right now it kind of feels like the cotton is a little, it actually feels like the polyester it's drying quicker than the cotton. That's what it feels like. It feels like the polyester is quickly drying with the cotton. Like the cotton is still kind of moist, but the polyester feels a little more damp. So yeah, polyester, yeah, it feels a little more damp with it. So we're just gonna mark that the polyester passed with the quick drying and the cotton failed with the quick drying. So this is the wrap up of the lesson plan. That's the end of it.